Hi, superstars. Today, I'll be telling you how you can make money from palm oil business without being actively involved in palm oil business. I'll be telling you how you can invest in palm oil business and make money from palm oil without selling palm oil. Okay, so there are actually people who are interested in making money from palm oil business, who are interested in enjoying the profits from palm oil business, but they don't want to sell palm oil, probably because of their job and lots of other things. Okay, but they are interested in enjoying the profits. Then this video is for you. I'll be telling you tips on how you can invest and make money from palm oil business without selling palm oil. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so first you need to know that there are actually people who are actively involved in palm oil business. All they do is buy and sell palm oil. Some of them even go as far as milling palm oil to sell. They are actually involved in palm oil business. Okay, so these people, some of them will have opportunities for people to invest. They have opportunity for people to partner with them and then make money from palm oil business. But all you need to know is that you will definitely not be making 100% profits because the profits will be shared. Okay, but it gives you an opportunity to invest in palm oil business and make money from it. There are people out there who give opportunities for people to partner with them and then invest in palm oil business. While they do the business, they do the buying, the storage, the selling, and everything. They own the storage facilities, and after everything, they share profits. Profits is shared between the buyer and the seller in the ratio of 70 is to 30. Yes, the owner takes 70% of the profit while the seller takes 30% of the profits made from the palm oil after it is being sold. Okay, so this method affords people who do not have the time and the energy to go into palm oil storage the opportunity to still make money from palm oil, although it is not 100% like I said. Okay, it gives them the opportunity. So there are people out there who do this for people and then they make money. But my superstars, before investing in things like this, you need to be very, very careful. Yes, before investing in storage of agri products by other people, you need to really, really be careful because there have been cases of where people run away with people's money, okay, or a case where the business collapses and profit is not made, okay, due to theft, due to losses during storage and all that. So many things happen, and the person you give the money to can't afford to give you your money and profits. So first you need to be very, very careful when you are seeking for a partner for palm oil storage business. One, you have to investigate the person you will be partnering with. Is she consistent? Is he or she consistent? Does he or she have an online presence? Okay, is the person does the person's identity online tally? Okay, you need to run checks on this person. You don't just carry your hard-earned money and give it to someone to invest for you. You have to run checks on the person. Is a person reliable? Is a person trustworthy? Is a person of good character? Okay, have there been cases where people made noise that they gave the money to the person to invest and the person has not made returns? Okay, you need to be very, very careful and investigate the person before giving your money to. I know when sometimes people look out for profits, imagine having 70% return on investment. It is really, really tempting. Okay, but nevertheless, you have to be very, very careful when you are choosing for looking out for someone to invest in. Okay, so I know lots of people will be like, okay, ID, can I partner with you? ID, can I invest with you? My superstars, no. For now, I cannot invest for people. I cannot buy palm oil and store for people because I do not have the financial capacity, I do not have the storage space, I do not have the time. Okay, so for now I cannot store for people, I cannot partner with people for palm oil storage. Lots of people have been reaching out to me that they would love to give me money to invest for them, to store for them, to partner with me, and I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you for your trust, thank you for your love and everything. I appreciate every one of you. But for now, I can't store for people. I can't invest for people. Okay. It is hectic. It is one business that you need to be very, very capable. Okay. You need to be very, very strong to be able to handle the loads and everything. I know the stress I went through when did palm oil business actively. Okay, when I did lots of carrying and all that. So for now, I have just one or two people who help me run my own thing behind the scenes. Okay, so I can't, and I do not have the storage facility where I would store for a lot of people. So for now, I cannot invest for people. Hopefully in the future, when I have been able to stand, when I have the capacity, I will open opportunities for people to invest in palm oil business. Okay, my superstars, for now I'm focusing on growing this channel. I'm investing my energy into other things. I have other things behind the scenes that take my time and energy. Okay, my superstars. So I give this knowledge so people who want people they could invest with for palm oil storage business can look out. But please, when you are doing that, be very, very careful so you are not a victim, so that you do not give your hard-earned money to someone to flush it down the drain. Okay, my superstars, be careful. All right, so on this channel I've done lots of videos for people who are interested in starting palm oil processing in Nigeria. I've done videos on palm oil machines in Nigeria. Those who are interested in starting palm kernel business, I've done a video on palm kernel machines. Okay, we did a test and we saw how efficient it was. So if you're interested, please go and check it out. I'll also leave links in the description box. Okay, my superstars, in the meantime, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up. All right, hit the like button and don't forget to share. All right, if you have not subscribed, please take a second, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.